Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
We are here today face to the Viva honors final Viva. We have already done this and last stage. Now we are going to home today. This is my first vlog and I will upload in my YouTube channel. Everyone please subscribe my. Hello. This is his MD Shumon Talukdar. He is a good person and he is handsome and he is prepared for Korean language, Korean UBT exam, 12th September exam. Best wishes for him. And the another guy, his name is MD Zuel Rahman Tanzil Shaniash. He is handsome and he is a lover boy in our campus. And the another boy is dashing is smart. Dashing is Farid Ahmed. He is good looking. Here we go now. Upcoming man, he is Kamul Islam Nahid. He is polite.
Guys.
Hello everyone,
Guys.
please hi.
Hi.
Welcome to subscribe my channel. He's
फेसबुक पे खेला था समझा है
oh link पे click करें ना.
लिंक पे क्लिक करके
He is MD Rashidul Islam. He is honest.
আমি যাই
Hey, subscribe bara লাগবে আমার.